Yeah, Donatello. I've been rocking black jeans, mismatched socks, stripes around the hoodie and the carrots on the watch. Little shorty hit me up, saying that you trying to talk. I don't want a conversation, all I really want is knots. Pumas on the feet, all green like the crop. Diving token, sweat gelato, got me filling out the box. 18, jugging with the homies, fucking thoughts. Moving packs like clockwork, screaming fuck a cop. I don't really give a fuck what a bitch say. Working till my wrist pays, step inside my dojo when I show you I'm the sensei. Insane, I've been great, this ain't new. Knock the pussy out the park just like I'm Babe Ruth. Try to say fuck all my teachers cause I hate school. Say they been calling me different, I've been the same dude. Nah, I come in and I buddy beats up the thing blue. And I ain't even sweating cause this ain't even my debut. At the top, but still giving out toe tags. You rappers hella goofy and he's feel like you know rap. You talk about the change, but the flow in your notepad is making me sick. You used to give it your flows back, I'm sleep. Fucking deceased, laughing so hard got me weak in the knees. Bitch, I'm a beast, that's a word on the street. They don't fuck with the kid, they can suck on my meat. Donatello said that shit till I'm 6 feet deep. Jordan was a rookie and I'm coming with the heat. I'm put a wax in the woods and mixing acid with the tree.
Sanki her şey kayboldu, çok derin hissederim. Omzum yükle doldu ama bende vazgeçmek yoktu. Bitmedi, bitmedi, bitirmedi. Ben özendim ya da öyle bir şey ama sen her şey görünüyor olmalı. Bunu sen de hatırlarsın da artık